goes right in front of me. Oh, there it is. Alright, hopefully there's nobody on the highway right here. We're about to be in the damaged path. Watch me down lines, watch me down lines. Oh, I can hear it. Here now. Wow.
Nonetheless, though, this camera shaking quite a bit from these storms. You can see right now, this is our AAA Systems camera.
Okay, lights are going out here on the west side of Bowling Green. There are power outages.
Yeah, I'm looking at that dark spot over there towards the right of your screen. You can see it getting darker and the power is going out in those locations. Keeping a very close eye on that. Not seeing any funnel from the lightning strikes yet. But this is one area I'm concerned with. I saw something just before I took it on the air, and notice how dark the sky is with that.
Yeah, we just heard the back door over here, our studios, banging around quite a bit like I hadn't heard it in a long time. Some power going out here on the west side of Bowling Green. We're looking west-southwest, right down 6880. The camera's shaking around quite a bit.
Tire flashes. We got power flashes. I think we got a tornado on the ground, folks. That's a tornado on the ground. Holy cow. Hear the roar of it. Winds are going the opposite direction. Wow. Okay.